You're live.
Hi, good evening, and welcome to another edition of the Sunday episode from Exodia. Like always, we do these live sessions for all of you. And this time, we have a guest who's going to share her experience with us. So, welcome all of you to this session on Facebook Live. This is Saurabh Mohanty from Exodia, wishing you good health and good times during such kind of a time that we have on our hand. So let me introduce our guest. Her name is Anupa Ghosh. Welcome, Anupa, to this show.
Hello, Saurav.
Hi. So Anupa is a seasoned trainer, a consultant, a therapist, a person who's genuinely passionate about doing something for young adolescents, and she works a lot in this area. She's going to talk a little more about it, but I'm going to start off this small interaction by asking a question which a lot of people keep asking us: NLP, neuro linguistic programming. What does it really mean to somebody in the outside world? Anupa, what has been your experience with this term?
Um, so neuro-linguistic programming for me um, has been extremely, what should I say, eye-opening, therapeutic. It has brought about a lot of changes in me over the years, and the changes are they have been very subtle, sort of. They are in the immediate. Maybe I felt nothing, but as time went by, these subtle these little changes have really taken up a lot of space and contributed to my being the person that I am today, and a lot of it, a big part of it, is thanks to NLP.
That's interesting. Anupa, if I remember correctly, you have done a course on NLP, and later on, you also went through what we call a lab through Exodia, where you went through this process. Is there anything that you'd like to talk about that? Any kind of your sharing, the way we do normally in the NLP sessions, without the content, that is.
Yeah, so I think it's been 4.5 years now of the lab. And that during that time, I was going through as usual. There were a lot of overwhelming things that were happening, new things, some old things that were coming up, triggered by the new. And the lab happened. The best thing I love about NLP is there is no content that there is no content that I had to share in the lab that I did. And one of my biggest issues that I have been dealing with over the years, or more than 20 years maybe, deep seated, that would get triggered, and that came up to the forefront in the lab. Leo was taking the lab. Leo, you were there. Raj was also there. Leo processed it, and those 2 days and the work that we did in the evenings, all of that. It's been 4.5 years now. I am not saying the wound has healed. The wound is there. However, how I look at it today, or if I were to say, that lab helped me um, not get so overwhelmed with, or not let those triggers affect the wound so much. And I have healed much. I have benefited much from the lab. Not only have I benefited through NLP and the process of NLP, I've also gained a lot of friends, and it was a brilliant experience. Those 3 days that we spent in the lab was brilliant, very very powerful for me. And yeah, and the wound has not triggered back. Or even I remember one incident where I used to have allergy. I had dust allergy, and we worked that in the lab. It has not come back in
Wow.
so many years now. My dust allergy has not come back. Yeah, I think it was reframing that we worked on, and my dust allergy has not come back.
Interesting. I
So
mean,
yes, the lab helped me immensely.
yeah, just for the benefit of our listeners and viewers, in Exodia we do this what the lab as we call it. It's a interactive process where we invite people who wish to work on themselves, who have some of the challenges that they carry in their minds or in their emotions, we would like to explore. The best part of such an interactive process is that it is in-house. At least before the COVID times, used to have it in-house residential program where people used to come and be there for 3 days. And the second important point, which is there was no discussion on the content, which means no participant ever shared what really happened. There was no discussion, no reference to the episode that might have happened or the event that might have happened in somebody's life. However, the impact of that was possibly a point of discussion and the feelings around it and the way we discuss, and that's what Anupa is sharing. So this is a very, very interesting offering that we have from Exordia, which we offer it time to time, once every month. And we're looking forward to doing the next one, hopefully as soon as this lockdown is lifted. Anupa, if I remember correctly, I was also in the lab doing being one of the facilitators. There was a major shift that I saw between you and the other participants. There was a very strong connect that we observed. And the way that you people were on day one and the way that you people left on day three was very different. And your whole interaction, we saw a sea change as facilitators. I think we talked about it. So is that still continuing? How is it all about?
It continues, grows stronger every day. And like I said, not only did it work on me, uh, interpersonal skills, the science behind communication, I think if NLP has done one thing that I can pinpoint and say it has done brilliantly well, it is interpersonal communication. And so the friendship or the bond that was created there, I didn't even know. I knew one, I didn't know the other two. The bond that was created then, it is so much more stronger now. No inhibitions. We are so comfortable, not only in our, no judgments, no inhibitions. It's really, really nice. And nice is a very generalized statement, and NLP says that there are no generalizations happen in communication all the time. But it is really nice. It is, like I said, I can't, there is, I cannot say, I changed overnight. It is like slowly and steadily, gradually, that process creeps in, and it just takes up space, and it changes. It has changed me, in a very beautiful way, in a very confident and beautiful way, in interpersonal relationships. It's really nice, very, very
Oh,
powerful.
Uh, do you kind of see that benefiting you in any other way into your work, maybe, or some other place?
So whenever I have done my communication workshops as a trainer, or even explaining to leaders, or even in coaching sessions, the lens that NLP has taught me of communication, of seeing communication, deletion, distortion, generalization, I think there isn't a simpler way to um, make the other understand what really happens in the process of communication and why we fail, or why there are breakdowns. So I've used it, I think every session that is in communication leadership, so many coaching sessions of deletion, distortion, and generalization. Even in my therapy sessions, I tell people that communication is not a two-way process. It is these lenses that we use, and how. So it has helped me a lot. I use NLP in my own self also. Even now, sort of when I'm very overwhelmed or something is bothering me, I'm getting very anxious. I remember Leo saying that there are these quick tips. He would say, okay, you're feeling very anxious, you just change the position, get up from wherever you're sitting, go change the position, and the mind, kind of the brain, the channel just shifts. That is one tip that I think I will carry to my grave, if I were to say that. I mean, if I'm feeling very overwhelmed, sad, I just get up, change, take a walk, and then I've really forgotten it. Or whether I have forgotten or the neural pathway has changed, I don't know, but it helps. So yeah, it's a quick go-to for me. I use it in a lot of my communication sessions and my therapy and my coaching. So yes,
So
definitely.
Anup, I'm curious now. When you say that it has helped you in interpersonal skills, interacting with other people, it helps you in your day-to-day work. Do you find some of the people that you interact with get curious about NLP, or have they asked you, or they would like to know more about it?
My husband, for one, has been very curious. He earlier thought, "Oh, what is this hocus pocus?" Because I would actually read cues and say, "Oh, so what are you seeing?" Or, "Oh, what are you thinking? Are you seeing this image?" And so he would guess, "Oh, this is all hocus pocus." But then he got very interested. He got very curious as to how do I know that he's doing an auditory recall, or he's seeing an image, or he's feeling something. He would say it's all hocus, but then he got very curious. And a lot of my friends have been very curious, and I keep telling them, if you really want to learn NLP, do it with Leo Lobo, because a lot of people are available. But if you want to really experience the power of NLP, go to Leo, because really, in the simplistic way, in the most useful way, Leo teaches NLP. Yeah, so a lot of my friends, and I think they one or two have already. Yeah.
Uh, Thank you so much for sharing that bit. In fact, that's something which is very exciting to know. We are all waiting for this time to go, because in NLP we believe that the more you get into physical interactive space, it helps a lot, because you got to calibrate, you got to sense, you got to have your equities running high. There's so much that one does and learns during in a classroom session as opposed to an online session. But nevertheless, thanks to Leo leading this team, what we have done is we've tried to also have workshops which are based on NLP. So we have many workshops which we have done in the last 7, 8 months. You'd be surprised. We've added a lot to Akiti. And we've done workshops on women empowerment, on entrepreneurship, on counseling, on goal setting, on leadership, on relationships. I mean, it's all been a part of the evolving process, and we've added them. And we're going to have the next set of workshops coming out post the Diwali season. So, thanks a lot, Anupa, for joining us and sharing your experience. It's been wonderful. I mean, we've seen some of the best of the times during our learning process and the lab process, and we continue to take inputs from people like you, which enables us to enhance the offerings. So, thanks again for joining us, and thank you all of you viewers for spending some time with us on this Sunday. And do look out on our page at our website as well. Go to the Exodia website, the page, and you'll find the workshops all lined up. If you need any more information about that, please do write in, and we shall get back to you with the latest that we have for you. So thank you again for spending time with us. And should you need any further information, you're most welcome. One of us will get in touch with you. Thank you, Anupa, again, and wishing you all the best for the coming season.